In this video, I'll show you how to fix Black Ops 6 not opening on Steam. The first thing you want to do is just find the game on the left side, then right click on it, go to Properties, go to Install Files and verify integrity of game files on your Black Ops 6. Now see if that works. If it doesn't, another thing we can do is we can come here and search for Task Manager. In here, what we want to do is we want to find Steam. So go to Details, sort by the name, click anywhere and look for the Steam. It should be down here. Steam.exe, and then you want to end the task and process. Once it's completely closed down and there's nothing more from Steam here, you want to search for Steam, right click, and then you want to run as an administrator. Now check if that works. If it doesn't, another thing we can do is come here and go to Device Manager, find our display adapters, right click, update driver and search automatically for drivers. This is going to make sure we're using the latest driver for our graphics card. Now as a last solution, if none of these work, what I suggest you do is you try and uninstall the game and then reinstall it. Now I really hope any of these help fix the issue. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.